How to use Smash File Transfer to send large files. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to send large files, here's what you can do to using Smash. So you can just head over to the official website from smash.com. So once you open it, you can simply tap on this or drag and drop your file, which is a large file. So simply let me just quickly open the large file from over here. You can also see that it has over 2 gigs of space. So you can basically drag and drop it just like this. So once you do that, just enter your email address as well as your contact's email or subject as well as your message for the video. And once you do that, just click on link and make sure everything is correct over here. And once you do that, just click on check this box over here and just click on get a link button over here. And once you do that, you should be heading over to this page where you will need to enter your 6-digit code. That is the OTP code sent to your registered Gmail address. And once you do that, here you can see your file being transferred. Now just click on Next. And once your file is transferred, you can easily download it from over here or share it with your friends, just like that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.